Hey, it's Sean, and today on Entrepreneur Insights, I want to share a little bit about social media, specifically YouTube. I'm going to do a whole series on social media. Today's is going to be on YouTube. Just do a quick introduction.
And we're great salespeople as children.
Just always been very competitive.
It was really birthed out of my own real world experiences.
Hey everybody, and welcome to this week's episode. So obviously you're watching YouTube right now, and it's a great environment for you to promote your business because it allows you to show yourself as an expert. It allows you to share things about your business, not to give away the secret sauce, but to share certain things that allow people to realize that you know what you're talking about. Share certain information with them to say, I want to work with this person because they really know what they're talking about. On top of that, not only does that happen, but YouTube allows you to use the description section as well as tags to help people find your business. And if you think about it, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. So you obviously have Google, which is where everybody searches, and then YouTube, which is owned by Google. So people will often go on YouTube or go on Google and search for something, and your video might be the one that shows up. Just go out and do a search for something. Maybe search for Verizon Wireless, right? And see if videos come up. Because I'm going to tell you, the videos are going to come up. The other thing that can happen if somebody's searching for my business, for example, or searching for the nearest Verizon store, they're going to find my business in many different ways. So I have a YouTube channel, and I'll link the YouTube channel for my store up in the card above here. And you'll be able to see that video or that page, which I review a bunch of the different products that Verizon has. So as new devices come out, I will share those in reviews. So take the time to do that, and you'll find definitely that, one, it's free. Two, you're gonna get subscribers. But three, and most importantly to me, is that you're gonna have the opportunity to, increase your search results because you're gonna come up in videos. And you're going to be able to then have a conversation or an advertisement to somebody like an ad like this, and they're going to listen to what you have to say. And if they're in your area, they're likely to work with you because they like what you said. So, definitely use it to your advantage. Like I said, it's free. And every time you do a post, make sure you put keywords that are going to help find your business, and also put your website and any other areas like Twitter, Facebook, and whatever. Put those links in the description so that people can find you. Hope this was helpful. If it was, definitely give a thumbs up. Tell me how you use YouTube, and share a little bit more, share with others. Definitely subscribe for other tips. I'm going to do videos on how to use Google reviews as well as Google Plus, Facebook, and so on. So let me know what social media you find works the best for your business as well. Put that in the description below. And thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.